Welcome to the Agentic AI Playbook presentation. We'll explore building AI systems that work effectively before 2027, focusing on data, agents, application programming interfaces, customer relationship management, and more. Presented by Proxy Digi and Para DVJIO. The shift to autonomous systems transforms linear manual work into dynamic, goal-driven execution. AI tools initially compressed tasks but required human orchestration. Now, AI agents integrate with tools, memory, and feedback, creating repeatable operating loops. These systems combine agents, application programming interfaces, workflows, governance, and measurement, enhancing efficiency and autonomy. Manual work in content creation, outreach, and sales operations struggles to scale due to limited human attention. As volume rises, coordination costs outpace output. Businesses face execution throughput issues, not idea shortages. Automation offers leverage when workflows integrate targeting, personalization, tracking, and iteration. Agentic AI is a goal-driven system that interprets objectives, selects actions, and evaluates results. Its loop, input, decision, action, feedback, memory, operationalizes strategy at machine speed. Business value emerges when integrated with real systems like customer relationship management systems, databases, and application programming interfaces, enhancing execution without replacing strategic intent. Chatbots, AI agents, and systems each serve distinct roles. Chatbots answer, agents execute, and systems compound. The strategic shift is from isolated prompting to connected workflows. Systems demand measurement, permissions, fallback paths, and security controls, enhancing business value through speed, throughput, and leverage. The new digital leverage model empowers a single operator to manage diverse tasks through an AI-controlled stack. Leverage is achieved by systems running repeatedly, not isolated prompts. Operators act as architects, defining objectives and constraints. The key skill is designing loops that convert inputs into measurable business outcomes. Claude Code and Codex transform objectives into software and operational fixes. OpenClaw style agents automate web tasks. N8N integrates triggers, data transformations, and notifications. APIs and databases ensure system durability with structured inputs and reliable outputs. The AI content engine transforms a single strategic idea into diverse content forms like scripts, clips, and captions. Agents handle research, brand voice checks, and asset assembly. Performance data refines future content, ensuring consistent market presence and learning velocity. The focus is on quality, not quantity. AI systems enhance lead generation by identifying markets, enriching profiles, and ranking opportunities. Personalization is key, focusing on role, company context, and timing. Effective systems integrate data acquisition, qualification logic, and customer relationship management hygiene, ensuring compliance and consent are embedded in workflows. Automated outreach excels with relevant triggers, concise personalization, and disciplined follow-up. Agents draft initial messages, rotate angles, monitor replies, and update customer relationship management records. Human review is crucial at decision points like offer strategy and complex negotiations. The focus should be on optimizing qualified conversations, not just increasing send volume. A robust client acquisition workflow integrates lead sourcing, qualification, personalized messaging, and follow-up. Agents must prepare context for each sales interaction, ensuring seamless handoffs and status updates. This system creates a predictable journey from market signal to closed engagement, enhancing efficiency and success in client acquisition. AI agents can efficiently create digital assets like ebooks and courses from a single product thesis. Seamless distribution workflows integrate content, lead magnets, and analytics. Testing positioning and pricing without overhauling operations is crucial. When creation, promotion, and delivery are interconnected, digital products transform into a robust income infrastructure. Social media automation transcends mere scheduling. AI agents enhance value by testing ideas, formats, and distribution. They generate content variants, classify winners, and convert interactions into leads. Growth is driven by connecting posts to analytics and sales follow ups, all while maintaining brand voice and accelerating experimentation. The AI agency model by ParaDVJ.io focuses on content automation, creating strategy to publishing systems for consistent market presence. It enhances lead systems through sourcing, enrichment, and customer relationship management integration. AI workflows utilize NAN and application programming interface automations for efficient tool connectivity. Business automation streamlines internal processes, reducing manual tasks and boosting delivery capacity. Secure automation systems hinge on access control, credential hygiene, and data boundaries. Data protection is crucial, dictating what systems can read, write, store, and transmit. Workflow integrity relies on monitoring and alerting. Reliability transforms automation into trusted infrastructure. The proxy digi security perimeter emphasizes least privilege, audit trails, and failure handling. Digital products offer scalable assets but need strong positioning and distribution. AI services transform expertise into high value implementation work. Affiliate systems succeed with aligned content, trust, and tracking. Lead generation becomes monetizable when consistently producing qualified demand. Initially, a founder manually handled lead research and outreach. Post automation, agents manage content outreach and call preparation, resulting in more qualified conversations and efficient customer relationship management data. The key was redesigning workflows, not relying on a single tool. This shift reduced founder hours, improved content consistency, and enhanced lead quality. Over automation can erode trust if volume outpaces offer quality or compliance. Weak offers remain ineffective despite advanced tools, as automation magnifies both strengths and flaws. Without tracking, learning and decision making suffer. Security lapses escalate when credentials and permissions are mishandled. Control is essential to mitigate these risks. In the 30-day system build plan, week 1 focuses on defining the offer, audience, and success metrics. Week 2 involves building core content with human review gates. Week 3 connects outreach and customer relationship management updates. Finally, week 4 is dedicated to testing, hardening, and optimizing the system based on real signals. Discover the Agentic AI Playbook to transform your operations. Build automated income systems with secure infrastructure and intelligent workflows. Presented by Proxy Digi and ParaDVJ.io.